Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and Living Landscapes blog. I'm at a project in Lake Forest that I wanted to show you what it looks like. Designed by me, installed by Los Gatos Landscape. But before I do that, I make videos about drought tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. And I will have a link to my business info in the description of the video. Alright, we kept the hardscape as is. There was really no need to change it. We did a dry riverbed, hold up. Planted drought tolerant, mostly California native plants in the parkway. Now the color of gravel in the dry riverbed was to mimic the existing gravel that the homeowners had. They wanted to do as close of a match as possible, so that's what we did. Or I should say, the contractor did. We kept some existing plants. And we did the dry creek bed this way because this is kind of how the water flows. And we did put some plants within the dry creek bed because you can plant in it, and you know, not just a bunch of rocks, but also rocks with some plants. And again, with the previous gardens that I have shown you, we don't try to overcrowd with plants. We try to do just the right amount. We have some, in this garden specifically, some ornamental grasses, some red yucca, siskiyou blue fescue, a few ceanothus concha. Actually, let me show you. And these ceanothus will get 6x6. Now, in this case, these rocks aren't completely tumbled, but the premise here is, so this pile of rocks that you see here was existing, and then as we go down, we try to match what was existing, which the homeowners really liked. So, yeah.